Okay, we're going to need one package of Oreo, and we need to crush this. Do you actually exactly need Oreo? No, you can take any other cookies of your choice as well. We will make a triangle like this. We will fold it again. And then again. Put this in the middle. I may make a line for myself and I will just cut it. Now we'll take a bowl and I'm going to add this into the bowl. I have melted butter here. Now we're going to add Now this one will go to the fridge, and until that time I will prepare our chocolate cream. Now I will take some whipping cream. I will add cacao, sugar, then cream cheese. Now we will mix everything quickly. Your cream should be very steady, like this. We're taking this chocolate now, and I'm gonna add some of the cream. Now I'm going to melt the chocolate in the microwave. Now I'm going to add a little bit of our cream to our chocolate. I will mix everything little by little. I will just add everything in this bowl because it's bigger. We will add everything on top of our cookies. I will cover the cheesecake with this. I really don't remember the name right now because it's almost 12 midnight and I came from work. So you know what this is. We're just covering it and we'll put it in the fridge and until morning. Hey guys, now it's morning time. I will take the cake out of this mold. Now I will place the cake in the freezer for 5-10 minutes until we prepare the glaze. I will chop some peanuts now for our chocolate. Here I have chocolate and I'm going to melt it in the microwave. This is the chocolate, but I want it to be more runny and more soft. So I will add a little bit oil. I will just look the texture. I will add our nuts. Now let's take the cake and we will glaze it. Now this is the cake. I will put it in the fridge for like 10-15 minutes and then we will cut.